quiet. So let's welcome on board Aditya Agarwal and find out what stocks he's betting on. Aditya, hi, good morning. Any stock-specific strategies amidst this very listless day, I guess, we're headed in for?
Morning, Aisha. Thanks for having the show. I've got a couple of buy recommendations because the undertone of the market still remains a little bullish, while the headline indices have entered into a sideways consolidation phase. And my sense is this is going to continue for the rest of the week. The first stock on my radar is Indus Tower. Stock has finally broken out of a good consolidation phase. Continues to make higher highs, higher lows on decent volumes. So for a target of 460 on the upside, I'll be a buyer here with a stop loss somewhere around 450 on the downside. So Indus Tower, 410 on the downside is the stop loss. Second stock on my radar is Nuvama. That is also one stock which has been making higher highs, higher lows. And at current levels, I'll recommend a buy on Nuvama for a target of 1650 with a stop loss at 1500 on the downside.
Okay, so those are some of the stocks that are looking good to you, Aditya. Hi, morning, and thank you so much for your time. Give us a view on some of the other stocks that are in focus. You have Ultratech Cement today. They've commissioned additional cement capacity of 1.8 MTPA in Rajasthan. Your take on some of the cement stocks now that we've heard massive news last week on consolidation as well in the cement space, ACC, Ambuja, Ultratech. What is your take on the charts for some of these names?
My sense is cement stocks will now gradually start to inch higher because they've gone through their share bit of consolidation, first correction and then consolidation. And Intratech being the leader in the cement space, I think stock is good to go from here on. Test levels of 12,500 on the upside with a good support on the downside, 11,600. And along with that, I also think one should look at some of the names like Dalmia Bharat. That is also looking interesting from the mid to small size cement companies that can test levels of 2300 on the upside, on the downside good support areas of 2050. So Dalmia Bharat and Ultratech Cement, these two stocks are on my radar, and I believe cement stocks will gradually inch higher from here on.
Right.
Much of an upside in the market, more of a consolidation, I would say. On the downside, 26,000 is an immediate support zone. On the upside, 300, 200 is a resistance. So my sense is markets will continue to oscillate in this zone. While markets are in a narrow range, there are sectors and pockets which are outperforming. Look at the defense. I think defense can actually see a good up move from here on. If somebody is looking to buy and hold for at least a week or so, defense names are looking interesting, like an HAL at current levels look interesting for a target of 4,600 on the upside. On the downside, 4,300 is a good support zone. Mazgaon Dock is also looking interesting at current levels, can be bought for a target of 2,900 on the upside with a stop loss at 2,500 on the downside. And the couple of stocks that we spoke of in the beginning also look interesting, like an Indus Tower continues to look quite interesting. And metal packs are also interesting from them. Vedanta is something which is looking quite interesting to me for a target of 610 on the upside.
Okay, Aditya, great to have you on the show. Thanks for taking the time out and speaking with us today.
Pleasure. Thanks.
Okay, one of the